Today's video, we are going to be unboxing the February OK Beauty box. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. So today's video we are going to be unboxing the February OK Beauty box. I can't wait to get in here. I'm just covering my dress. In fact, let me just peel my dress off and then I don't have to keep covering it. That will do. So this is £15 per month. If you go on the website, they've got a code. If you use that code, you'll get it for half price, £7.50. I'll pop it down below in the information box for you if you want to use it. So yes, we have a decent sized box, but it is very shallow. I think we should just get in here really. Open it on up. It just says here, this box has been lovingly created by our expert beauty team with you in mind. Inside you'll discover a minimum of 5 beauty products worth at least £80. All tried, tested and loved by our beauty editors. And then we'll just have a sneaky little peek there. Oh, in fact, I'll just show you that because it's got pictures of the products on it. That is the edit card. It has information on all the products in there, so we will be using that throughout the video, which is fab. Oh, let's have a look. It says here this edit is called Strong. But yeah, let's just get in here and dig around. And if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. The first item in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Flanerie. I hope I'm saying that correctly. I'm probably butchering it, but you know. And this is Dark Circles Relief and Uplift Eye Serum. There's 20 mils in here, making it a full-size product, and it has a value of £47. The skin around the eyes is especially delicate and often the first part of the face to show signs of aging, and so using an effective eye cream can help build resilience to this area. So gently apply 1 pump of serum around the eye area morning and night before your moisturizer. It aims to protect skin against UV and UVA damage while preventing breakdown of collagen, which with hyaluronic acids helps to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Sounds absolutely bloody amazing. And you know, I've had this brand once or twice in the different beauty boxes that I unbox, and it's so nice to get something different by them. I love a good eye cream, I really do. You don't have to use eye cream, you can use face cream under your eyes, you can use eye cream all over your face. But yeah, I do like an eye cream, it just makes me feel a bit bougie. But yeah, I can't wait, honestly can't wait to try that out, especially if it helps with these wrinkles that I have. Cool again product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Nails Inc, and it's Gel Rehab Damage Nail Recovery. It's a full size and it has a value of £15. It just says diet, genetics and poorly removed gel polish are some of the factors that can cause nails to become damaged, weakened and prone to snapping. But with this quick and easy treatment, it will have your nails growing long and strong in no time. You apply it to clean dry nails either on its own or as a base coat before coloured nail polish. It gets to work in 30 minutes to intensively repair dry and damaged nails, to hydrate, strengthen and protect them from further breakage and damage. Yeah, cool. I'm actually really glad to get this because my nails are awful when they get to the horribly weak. They're like paper, bendy like paper, so I can't really get a nice length on them because they just be flapping in the wind, girl. So yeah, I will try anything, and yeah, I really like Nails Inc. If I could talk, that would be amazing. The third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Wild Science Lab, and it's Smooth Start Bond Reconstruct Shampoo. It's a travel size at 40 mils and it has a value of £6. It just says hair can easily become damaged, whether it's from colouring, heat styling or environmental factors. Oh my goodness, I'm really struggling today. Resulting in it looking dry, scraggly and visible split ends. This strengthening shampoo uses a complex of peptides and natural extracts to rebuild broken bonds in the hair fibre for smoother, shinier, healthy looking trestles. Yeah, cool. I love testing out shampoos and stuff and hair care products, so can't wait to try that out. And the fourth product in the box, spoiler, here we go there. We have a matching set. We have the conditioner, so again by the brand Wild Science Lab, and again it's Smooth Move Bond Reconstruct Conditioner, 40ml travel size, has a value of £6. The perfect pairing to your Wild Science Lab shampoo. This conditioner is your second step to stronger hair, helping to repair, hydrate and detangle fragile hair. No more struggling to drag a comb through those knotty locks. Yeah, love getting a matching set. I hate it when you unbox something, one of the beauty boxes, and they either give you one or the other. It's like, no, I want the set. And then you can get an idea of what the whole system's like, and if there's anything else in that system that you want to get, like, I don't know, the matching hair oil or anything else they may do, you can judge it. But yeah, really like the brand, cute packaging, and if it can help repair this damaged wig I have on my head, awesome. Fifth and final product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Bedew Skin, and it's the Epidermal Vitamin Water. There's 50ml in here, making it a travel size, and it has a value of £19. Like a healthy drink for your skin, this refreshing essence is packed full of complexion boosting goodness. We especially love the light as anything water consistency, which means it can be used on its own or layered under serums and creams. You just apply a few drops to your hands and gently pat onto damp skin after cleansing. Can also be added to your daily moisturizer. Okay, cool. So the benefits of using this: it works to brighten your skin, fade dark spots, amazing, and balance oil production to even skin tone while promoting collagen production to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. If this actually does what them benefits say that it's supposed to do, I will be a very happy girl indeed. But yeah, you can see it's definitely just like a water consistency there. Let's just have a smell. Oh, smells quite nice actually. Ooh. I'm just looking at it, it's got like little bits in it. I don't know if you can see that through there. Yeah, certainly give it a go and see if it's any good. Never heard of the brand before, so again, I love it when I get to try something new. Right guys, so this edit is called Strong, and it is the February OK Beauty box. What do you think? Personally, I think it's a really decent box, and it's very aptly named indeed. So just having a quick recap of the products. So yeah, we have a vitamin water for your skin. That sounds nice and it smells beautiful. We have a shampoo and a conditioner, a matching set that's going to help your hair get long and strong. And we have a nail rehabby thingy for your nails, again to help with the damage and stuff. And we have an eye serum. So yeah, not a bad little box at all. Again, I'll link it down below. The code that's on the website, I'll put that down below if you want it half price for £7.50. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!